to the cooking class of Yaya Irene. Today we're making chicken Avagolemono soup. Avagolemono means egg, avo, and lemon. That's why they call it Avagolemono soup. We need a chicken, you need an onion, you need carrots, you need parsley, celery, and rice.
Parsley?
Yep. You don't need this.
Celery?
And celery.
That's a big onion.
Yes, it is. The onion made the soup sweet.
And
This is all the ingredients.
this is it, the ingredients right here.
Yes.
The onions,
Carrots, parsley, and celery.
and we're gonna boil those, right?
Yes.
With the chicken?
First, we put the chicken in. As soon as the chicken starts boiled, then we put all the veggies in.
Oh, very important.
And after we take the chicken out, then we take all these veggies out.
So we gotta wait till it boils, right?
Exactly.
Okay. Okay, put that chicken in that pot. Now what we're doing is we're gonna boil this chicken to make chicken broth, right?
Yes.
And that's what we're gonna make the soup from, right?
Yes. We just
And we're gonna boil it for about an hour and a half?
Yes.
Okay. Ready to put the vegetables in now?
Yes.
Okay, let's get the vegetables in there. And you're gonna continue to boil this until the hour and a half is up.
Yes.
And then we're gonna have some nice broth in there. All the vegetables. Whoa, okay.
You have something to stir.
There we go.
So now you're gonna let it boil.
Cover, you leave it a little bit open?
Yes.
Okay. What are you gonna do now, Yaya?
What we're doing now, we take some of the broth
Uh-huh.
and we strain it.
You got a nice fine strainer there, right?
Yes.
And what are you gonna do with that broth?
We're gonna put the rice to start cooking the rice.
Because it takes a long time for the rice to cook, right?
Well, not too long, but it takes
What?
time.
Takes time. How much are you gonna put in that bowl there?
That'll be enough to put a cup of rice to cook.
Enough for a cup of rice. Is a cup of rice enough?
Yeah, and then we put these veggies back.
Then you're gonna put the veggies back.
We boil and put the rice.
We're using a basmati organic
Yes.
California
Yes.
white rice.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, 1 cup, right?
No, we're gonna put 2 cups.
2 cups.
Yes,
2 cups.
because we got a lot of juice here.
Okay, got a lot of juice. Got a lot of people to feed too.
Yeah.
So 1 cup.
Well, let's boil a little bit.
Let it boil first. There goes the first cup. This looks like a Greek cup.
Yeah,
2nd cup.
yeah, that's,
Now you're gonna bring it to a boil?
yeah, it's gonna have to cook.
How long do you think?
I don't know, 20 minutes, 15
Okay.
minutes.
Yaya?
Now the rice is done and we start the Avagolemono. We're gonna put 4 eggs because we're 10 people. 8 eggs.
Okay, 4 eggs.
The reason, because we're 10 people and we make soup for 10 people today.
Okay, so but normally you could do it with 2 eggs.
2 eggs, yes. If it's for 4 people, up to 2 eggs.
Okay. Okay.
And we're gonna blend it.
You're gonna put 1 cup cold water. Okay. Hold on, wait a minute. How many lemons?
3.
So you're putting the lemon in right now.
Yes.
You use a little strainer to keep the pits out. So you're gonna get a little hot broth.
Yes.
You're gonna take it over and put it into the soup.
We have the lemon.
Avagolemono. So, how much broth do you put in there?
1 big tablespoon.
One big giant tablespoon. Okay. So, yeah. Why did you put the broth while the machine was running over
This
here?
way this way the eggs don't curl.
That way the eggs don't curl. So you have to do it very slowly, right?
Yes.
Now you're going to add the broth from here to the rice. So you got a strainer there?
Yes, here. Do it.
How much broth do you put in there?
The rest of the broth.
Oh, so you have to put little by little.
Look.
Oh,
Good
it's
soup.
going to be nice soup. But what about salt and pepper and everything
You
else?
can put after a little bit salt and pepper. You taste it first after we put the lemon.
And what are we going to do with the chicken from the chicken?
We're going to take it out, clean it, put some here, and leave the other one for chicken salad.
Make chicken salad out of it.
See all the veggies now? You see?
Mm-hmm.
All right, give me.
This right here and pour it into the soup, right?
Yeah.
And this is what makes it thick.
Makes Avagolemono.
It makes the Avagolemono. Okay, pour it in there. Oh boy, you're making a big pot of soup there.
Well, with 10 people.
Well, it's enough for the Greek army, I think. The Greeks don't ever do anything small, do they?
No. Look at this. Look how nice it is.
Where did you learn how to make this soup, Yaya?
From my mother.
From your mother? Where did she learn how to make it?
From her mother.
Oh. And what village did you grow up in Greece?
Kalimaskia.
And where is Kalamasia?
It's next to Hora.
And where is Hora? What island?
Chios.
On the Chios.
Now
What?
we can put a little salt and pepper.
You put some salt. What year were you born?
1931. I'm 86 years old.
86 years.
Yep.
And where are you right now?
I am in California, in Ojai, with my great son-in-law. I have 2 kids, and I have 5 grandkids, and I have 8 great-grandkids.
And you make this soup all your life?
Yes.
Oh, it's beautiful, Irene.
Taste and,
It definitely needs salt and pepper.
Needs a little salt and pepper.
Okay, you ready? Put the salt in. How much salt did you put?
Half a teaspoon.
Now they can make a half an order of this. They only need 2 eggs, right?
This one is for 10 people.
So, could they, instead of a whole chicken, could they boil like chicken legs or wings or something like that? Sure, right?
You can make it with less chicken.
Or you can just go buy the chicken broth, right?
Oh, it's so good.
Irene?
You can buy chicken broth and make it.
Yeah, but it's not as good as the real thing.
No, it's not.
Of course. The main thing is how to get the broth into the eggs without curdling it.
Now, what is the pepper? Now we're going to put little pieces of chicken inside.
Yeah, we chopped it up real small, right?
And the carrot.
And we're done.
And this is complete.
Except for eating it.
Yep.
Milo, you like that soup? Is that Yaya? Yaya made that soup.